Hello guys, today I'm going to give you hairstyling tips for men. I just shaved my own head, give myself a new haircut. I mean trim. Basically trim my old haircut. So I'm now wet, and I'm going to give you guys a hairstyling tip number one. This is just one of the tips. Okay, it is to use hair dryer. Okay, I have myself Philips hair dryer. There is basically three setting: off, low speed, high speed, and then normal cold air, and then not sure if you can see that, warm one, hot, low heat, and high heat. Okay, so I basically usually use, I do use high heat, I use low heat, and then I basically play around with the speed of the hair. As you guys can see, the hair is, when it's wet, is very pliable. So okay, and what you want to do with your hair dryer is that you want it to dry your hair in the shape you want. Okay, so plus with the heat, it will set your hair in place. Basically that's what a hair straightener does. Okay, there's two clipping things, and then you clip, it's very hot, and then you clip your hair, and then it straightens your hair, right? Basically it makes the thing uses heat to straighten your hair. This, we use a hair dryer heat, you know, to shape your hair. So basically you can use a comb if you want. You can basically comb it into the, give yourself the comb it into a place you want it to go first. Okay, and turn on the hair dryer. Okay, then basically just follow your comb. Just put it there, and then you sort of like that, and then turn it out, and then it will go in. Your hair will turn inwards. Comb it back. As you guys can see, it's starting to take shape. Okay, then you take a bit of shape. Okay, all the hair goes up right now. I have some loose hair right here. I need to use my wax to pick it up. Okay, basically for the other side, same. Comb it up, and then you turn it like that. Okay, comb it up, and then you sort of like curl it up. Again, you guys can see it. Comb it up, and then you basically turn it up and you curl it. Okay, not curl it, but just turn it in your hair inwards. This is basically for the hair you want to go for. If you want to go for this kind of both sides up, sometimes I put my this side down. So we need practice to do it nicely. Okay, and basically then the top, if you want, you can just comb it back. And then there you have it. It's basically all in shape now, and you just need a bit of wax, you know, to hold it in place or to make it nicer. Okay, as you guys can see, it's basically very nice now. All the shape is done, if you guys can see it right now. Okay, yep, like that. It's basically done. All you need is some hair wax, you know, to straight. I have a by Lane Silver Fox, which I will be reviewing soon, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, and if you guys want, you can, after you blow it on low speed, go on high speed, then it will just, you know, fluff up your hair. Give your hair a lot of volume. Just, you know, anyhow blow your hair, it will fluff it up. So, and then it's basically all done. And then you just need some of the your hair wax, and then you can hold all your hair in place. Right now I'm not going out anywhere, so I just blow dry my hair, and then I'll leave it like that. Okay, so that is it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like it, remember to like the video, hit the thumbs up button below, and be sure to stay tuned for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys have a nice day. Bye bye.